Hi, this is Zach Henderson with LSA Associates, and I'm going to be talking about some of the more advanced features that you can enable using the ArcGIS viewer for Silverlight, specifically the editing capability. Now, you're all aware of the choosing the base map and the table of contents, and possibly even measuring lines or areas. The next tool that might be enabled is Bookmarks, and this is going to help us navigate to the area where we're going to be doing our editing. So right now I'm just going to be going to the southern focus area. These bookmarks, at least for this tool, are not user specified, so they're specified actually on the server. You do not have any control over them. There are other add-ins where you can it'll give the user an option to create their own bookmarks, but the default out of the box widget does not give you this capability. Now, specifically, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on this editing tool. Now, notice on the editing tool, it says customer focus areas, and that's going to be the polygon that I can edit. Now, before we go there, I'd like to back up a little bit, because in your table of contents, I know that what I'm going to be editing is turned on. If it is turned off and it's not turned on the table of contents, and I hit the editing tool, notice no features actually show up at all. So if you hit this editing tool and there's nothing here, there's a good chance you need to actually turn it on within the table of contents. If you don't know specifically, you may end up turning them all on and turning them off one by one just to figure out what you can edit. So now that I have it turned on, I'm going to go ahead and hit the editing tool. Now notice here, if I go over, it kind of gives me this gray highlight. I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of click a random polygon. When I'm done, I actually do a double click to finish drawing the polygon. Now it's going to go ahead and give me an option to fill in information. This information is reading straight from the database. So however wide this LSA web label is, that's how many characters I can actually put in. For example, if I tried to type in land use and unknown, it won't allow me to take that last N because the character width is not wide enough to accompany the full unknown. So in this case, I'm just going to use the abbreviation. And for the LSA web label, I'll go ahead and put test polygon. For the city name, I can also put unknown. And notice I get that in there because of the width parameters when I actually publish the data set. So I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. Now this is the kind of the bizarre part. After I hit apply, I'm actually going to cancel out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel. Now when I cancel, all you're canceling is the data entry. Now it basically returns back to me what I just entered. And I can be fine with that. I can X out of this and I can be done. If I click on this polygon, now this land use is unknown, the city is unknown, and the LSA web label is test polygon. Now from here I can actually go ahead and I can edit the values again. I can type in a specific street address if I want, and hit apply. And again, you hit cancel, or you can X out of the window, and that's 123 Street. I can X out of that. So now if I come back, that's the information I get. Now this is a test polygon, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. And so we're going to go ahead and delete. It's going to confirm the deletion. I hit OK. And then I'm kind of back to where I can go ahead and create another polygon. And the same thing. I can go ahead and type in test, apply, cancel, and then cancel out of that. If I want to create another one, I go back and I click this again. Now I can go ahead and draw another one. And I can put a test in as well and hit apply, cancel, and then I would cancel out of this. So now I have my user-defined polygons right here. I can remove them off. Now on the table of contents, if I turn them off, oh, there it goes. Sometimes there might be a little bit of a lag, and so I don't see them. And then I can go ahead and turn them back on. And that's it. That's how you edit the user-defined polygons. Thank you.